Picture yourself standing on the threshold of nature's grand theater, where the forces of the sea and sky collide in a spectacle of raw power and beauty. Feel the pull of the tides, the rhythm of the waves, as they carve their mark upon the sands of time. Hi, how are you today? We are here to understand the world of, that's right, beach phenomena. From the tumultuous tides to the hidden dangers of rip currents, we'll uncover the mysteries that shape our shores and learn how we can protect and preserve these precious coastlines. So let's get started. First on the list, tidal change. Tides are the periodic rising and falling of sea levels caused by the gravitational forces exerted by the moon and the sun. The gravitational pull of the moon is stronger than that of the sun, making it the primary driver of tides. Tidal patterns vary depending on the location, with some areas experiencing semi-diurnal tides, 2 high tides, and 2 low tides each day, and others experiencing diurnal or mixed tides. Tides influence beach morphology, ecology, and activities such as surfing and fishing. Second on the list, sand dunes. Sand dunes are formed through the accumulation of sand carried by wind or deposited by waves. Over time, the grains accumulate into larger and larger mounds. Vegetation plays a crucial role in stabilizing sand dunes by trapping sand and promoting dune growth. Dunes provide habitat for specialized plants and animals, protect inland areas from coastal erosion and storm surges, and serve as natural barriers against wind and salt spray. Third on the list, beach erosion. Beach erosion occurs when waves and currents remove sand from the shoreline, leading to the loss of beach width and volume. Factors such as sea level rise, coastal development, and natural processes like storms, hurricanes can contribute to erosion. Accretion, on the other hand, involves the deposition of sand, which can occur naturally through sediment transport or artificially through beach nourishment projects. Fourth on the list, rip currents. Rip currents are powerful channels of water flowing seaward from the shore, typically occurring in gaps between sandbars or near structures such as jetties. They pose a significant hazard to swimmers and can quickly carry them away from the shore. Swimmers who are caught in a rip current may not understand what's happening and may panic under this condition. Understanding rip currents and how to identify and escape them is essential for beach safety. Fifth on the list, tidal pools. Tidal pools are shallow depressions or rocky basins left behind on the beach at low tide. These pools provide unique habitats for a diverse range of marine organisms adapted to fluctuating water levels, temperature, and salinity. These basins typically range from few inches or few feet across. They're full of sea life such as barnacles, snails, sea stars, and small fish, just to name a few. Visitors can observe and explore tidal pools, but it's important to do so responsibly to avoid harming delicate ecosystems. Sixth on the list, sandbars. Sandbars are submerged or partially exposed ridges of sand parallel to the shoreline, formed by wave action and sediment deposition. Sand spits are elongated landforms that extend from the coast into open water, often developing at the mouths of estuaries or along coastlines with strong longshore currents. Both sandbars and sand spits are dynamic features influenced by wave energy and sediment transport processes. Sometimes sandbars aren't always safe. Sandbars tend to disappear in rising tide or water currents. Never walk out further than you can swim back to. Your safety and surroundings are a key factor in keeping you and your family safe. Seventh on the list, beach nourishment. Beach nourishment involves the artificial addition of sand to eroded beaches to restore their width and volume. Special ships are used to transfer sand from bottom of the ocean and pump sand to the shoreline as needed. This process helps protect coastal infrastructure, preserve recreational beaches, and maintain the natural environment. However, beach nourishment projects can be costly and may have environmental impacts, such as altering sediment composition and disrupting coastal ecosystems. Eighth on the list, bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms, often observed in certain species of phytoplankton, algae, jellyfish, and other marine organisms. When disturbed, these organisms emit a blue-green glow, creating a spectacular display known as bioluminescent waves or tides. Bioluminescence is more commonly observed in warm, tropical waters and is a mesmerizing sight for beachgoers at night. Scientists believe it may be a form of communication or warn predators away or to lure prey in. Ninth on the list, beach pollution. Beach pollution is a significant environmental issue caused by human activities such as littering, industrial discharge, and improper waste disposal. Marine debris, including plastic waste, fishing gear, and other pollutants, can harm marine life through ingestion, entanglement, and habitat destruction. Beach cleanup and organized events where volunteers come together to help clean up. Efforts and public awareness campaigns are essential for mitigating pollution and preserving beach ecosystems. 10th on the list, beach wildlife. Beaches support diverse wildlife communities, including shorebirds, seabirds, marine mammals, and invertebrates. These habitats provide food, nesting sites, and shelter for various species, making beaches important ecosystems. Additionally, beaches serve as critical stopover points for migratory birds during their annual journeys along coastal migration routes. Follow all posted rules, don't feed the birds, dispose trash properly, highlighting the significance of beach conservation efforts for global biodiversity conservation. As the sun dips below the horizon, we bid farewell to the wonders of the shorelines. But the magic of beach phenomena lives on, forever etched in the memories we've shared. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Top 10 Lowdown. And remember, in the dance of the tides and the whispers of the sands, may you find solace and inspiration. Let us cherish and protect our beaches, for they are the gateways to boundless wonders and endless possibilities. Thanks for watching and have a great day.